Hello students, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Children, as you know that there is nobody with me, so I am alone, and that is why I will remove my mask so that we could have better communication. Yes, so children, today we are meeting for our second session of chapter numbers up to 9. And let me give me my introduction also. I am Nisha Tan from Saraswati Group of Education. Okay, children, we are meeting today for our second session, right? Okay, now let us just recall what we learned in our previous session. Yes, I know that you all remember what we learned. We learned about numbers from 1 to 9 and number names. Very good. And then what we did? We did the exercise 2.1 and even we did the match the following. Yes, I hope you all are clear with what we have done in our previous session. So, children, today what new we are going to learn in this chapter? Can any one of you say? Or any one of you have referred to what we will learn today? Yes. Today we are going to learn about zero. What? Zero. Can you see this is zero? Yes, we will learn about zero. Now, what new thing? You all know the number zero. But what new thing we are going to learn about the number? The thing is, we are going to understand the concept of zero. How zero is formed and how it is used. Okay. So children, first of all, you can see on the board, I have written today's topic, that is understanding zero. And the name of the chapter is Chapter 2, Numbers up to 9. And this is our second session. So I have written part 2. Now, can you see I have drawn something on the board? What it is? Yes, think. Yes, it's a mango tree. Yeah, yum, mango tree. I know you all are eating right now. Yes, and I have drawn a man also. A happy man. He is very happy to see the mangoes on the tree. Okay, now how I will explain you about zero. For that, first of all, I'll create a small story for it. Okay, you can see there is a man. He went to the farm to pick some mangoes. He used to love mangoes. So he wanted to pick up mangoes from the trees, and so he visited a farm. So when he visited a farm, he saw mango tree. There were so many mangoes on the tree. Shall we count how many mangoes were there? Yes, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 mangoes. Right. So, there were 5 mangoes on the tree. Now, he wanted to eat all of them. But, he could not take all together at one time. So, first of all, what he did, he throwed one stone and then one mango came down. What he did? He throwed one stone. So first of all, what I will write? I will write the number of apples to make you understand. How many apples? Sorry, not apples, mangoes. How many mangoes? 5. So what I will write? 5 mangoes. Right? Okay. Now, he took one mango. So, I will cancel one. Okay. So, I am drawing here first of all 5 mangoes. You can see. This is 1 mango. This is 2. 3. 4 and 1 over here. Okay, these are 5 mangoes. Now he plucked out 1 mango. So there are 5. यहाँ पे कितने हैं? 5। सो मैं उसमें से एक मैंगोज निकाल दूंगी, जो 5 यहाँ पे है वही मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किए, राइट। सो वो 5 में से एक मैंगो निकाल दूंगी। तो अब कितने मैंगोज बचे? 1 2 3 4। अब कितने बचे? यहाँ पे भी देखो मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया। 1 2 3 4, 4 मैंगोज बचे ना। अब उसको और मैंगो खाना है। सो व्हाट ही विल डू, वो वापस स्टोन को थ्रो करेगा और एक मैंगो प्लक करेगा। सो अगेन उसने एक स्टोन लिया और उसने ये वाला मैंगो प्लक किया, राइट। तो अब मेरे पास यहाँ पे 4 थे, उसमें से एक उसने और लिया ना। सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल क्रॉस 1 मोर, राइट। सो अब कितने मैंगोज बचे? 1 2 3। चलो देखते हैं, इतने ही बचे ना। 1 2 3। नाउ व्हाट ही वांट्स, और मैंगोस चाहिए, बिकॉज पता है मैंगोस तो सबको पसंद है। तो मैंगोस तो जितने भी जो उतने खा जाते हैं, राइट। सो ही प्लक्स 1 मोर। तो एक और मैंगो यहाँ से गया, तो यहाँ से भी जाएगा ना, क्योंकि यही हमने ड्रॉ किए हैं। यस। सो नाउ हाउ मेनी लेफ्ट, कितने बचे? 1 और 1 2। चलो चेक करते हैं, ट्री पे भी 2 बचे, 1 और 1 2। यस। सो 3 मैंगोज उसने प्लक करके खा भी लिए। हमारा तो पेट भर जाता है इतने सारे खाएंगे तो, पर ये मैन का पेट ही नहीं भरता। ही सेज आई वांट मोर मैंगोज, मोर मैंगोज। तो क्या कर रहा है, और एक मैंगो तोड़ता है। तो ही इज प्लकिंग दिस मैंगो। तो और एक मैंगो उसके पेट में गया। बड़ा बड़ा स्टमक हो रहा है मैंगो खा के तो, राइट। अब कितने मैंगोज बचे? ओनली 1 यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे, दोनों जगह पे कितने बचे? ओनली 1। पर वो बोल रहा है ये एक भी क्यों बचा है, मेरे को तो ये एक भी खा जाना है। तो जितने भी ट्रीज पर मैंगोज थे वो सारे उसने खा लिए, तो वो एक भी उसने ले लिया। तो इसको भी मैं क्रॉस कर दूंगी। ओके, तो यहाँ पे भी क्रॉस हो गया, राइट। सो अब कितने मैंगोज बचे? हाउ मेनी मैंगोज आर लेफ्ट, लेट अस सी। अरे यहाँ पे तो एक भी मैंगो नहीं बचा, उसने तो सब तोड़ के खा लिए। यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, तो इट मीन्स 0। सो कितने मैंगोज? 0 मैंगोज। तो 0 की कोई वैल्यू होती है क्या बच्चों? टेल मी, 0 की कोई वैल्यू होती है? नो, 0 की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती। 0 ऑब्जेक्ट मीन्स नथिंग। 0 मीन्स नथिंग, कुछ भी नहीं। हम लोग काउंटिंग करते हैं तो 1 2 3 4 ऐसे करते हैं, 0 का कुछ निकलता है। हम बोलते हैं कि 0 ऑब्जेक्ट लो, मैं अपने फ्रेंड को 0 चॉकलेट देती हूँ, या मैं 0 आइसक्रीम देती हूँ। वी स्पीक दैट? नो, बिकॉज 0 हैज नो वैल्यू। अकेला 0 जो होता है उसकी कोई वैल्यू होती नहीं है। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड कंसेप्ट ऑफ 0। इट मीन्स कुछ भी नहीं बचता, नथिंग इज देयर। उसका मीनिंग हुआ 0। क्या हुआ उसका मीनिंग? 0। Children, now I will show you one more example for understanding 0. Children, you can see I have drawn 1 2 3 and 4 balls on the board. Can you see? There are 4 balls. Now, these all balls are of Raju. You can see I have written on the board, Raju has 4 balls. What does it mean? Raju के पास 4 बॉल है, right? You can see this. Now, what he did? He gave 1 ball to his friend Nayan. उसने क्या किया? एक बॉल अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया। कौन सा फ्रेंड? नयन। सो इसमें से एक बॉल गया, सो वी विल क्रॉस, राइट। अब कितने बॉल बचे? 1 2 3। 3 बॉल्स उसके पास बचे, राइट। अब उसने नेक्स्ट क्या किया? ही गेव 1 बॉल टू हिज फ्रेंड राहुल। 3 बॉल्स में से उसने वापस एक बॉल किसको दे दिया? राहुल. सो वापस बॉल कट हो गया. अब कितने बॉल बचे? 1 and 1, 2 बॉल. तो अब क्या आगे किया? He gave 1 ball to his friend वेद. एक और बॉल उसने दिया. किसको दिया? वेद को. तो इसमें से एक और बॉल गया. अब कितने बॉल बचे? ओनली 1. तो 1 उसने रखा कि वो भी दे दिया? लेट अस चेक. He gave 1 ball to his friend करण. तो अब एक और बॉल था, वो भी गया. वो किसको दिया? करण को. सो अब कितने बॉल बचे? कैन यू चेक? अब कितने बॉल बचे? देयर आर नो बॉल्स, क्योंकि उसने चारों की चारों बॉल अपने फ्रेंड में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिए. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? राजू हैज डैश बॉल. कितने बॉल है राजू के पास? नो बॉल्स. व्हाट यू से? 0 balls. It means 0 means nothing. No, कुछ भी नहीं है. No value, no object. एक भी बॉल रहा नहीं. So what does it say? 0 has no value. It means nothing. So are you clear, children, with the concept of 0? Now children, open your book, page number 93. Textbook, page number 93. Children, now we will see how 0 is formed. Okay, understanding 0. Rahul had 2 puppies. Can you see? There is a picture of 2 puppies. Yes. His father gave 1 puppy to his friend Krish. To whom he gave? To his friend Krish. And 1 puppy to Rahul's aunt. 1 puppy from these two, 1 to his friend and 1 to his aunt. Now he has no puppies at home, right? Because both of them are gone. So what we can say? So we say that he has 0 puppies at home. And how we write 0? It is written as like this, right? Now let us solve the question. Fill in the correct number. Children, you can see there are pictures over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 pictures. What do you see in the first picture? There is a branch and 1, 2 and 3 butterflies are sitting on the branch. Now what is asked? There are dash butterflies. How many? 1, 2 and 3. So what we will write? 3. You have to write along with me. Please write. Next, 1 butterfly flew away. Flew away means उड़ गया. So now you can see in the second picture there are only 2 butterflies. So how many are there? Now there are 2 butterflies. You can see, you have to write 2. 1 butterfly flew away. Again 2 में से क्या हुआ? एक butterfly उड़ गई. So can you see how many are remaining over here? Only 1. So what we will write? Now there is 1 butterfly. Now अब वो जो 1 butterfly थी वो भी उड़ गई. So 1 butterfly flew away. Now how many are left? Now you can see, can you see any butterflies in this picture? No. So what we will say? Now there are 0 butterflies. Right? So this was understanding 0. Now children, you have to write and practice 0. You have to trace 0 at your home by yourself. I am showing you one. The next you have to do it yourself. You have to join all the dots together to form a 0. Again one more. You can see I am tracing, joining all the dots together. Yes, so this is the way of doing 0, writing 0. Children, I hope you all are clear with the concept of zero. Now, what is the homework for the day? The homework is you have to read the number names and write them in the blanks. It is given on page number 100. It's the only homework for the day. And one more thing, you can practice the concept of zero as I have done on the board in your rough books also, so that you get a better understanding of zero. And children, at the end of my video, you will see a short video related to concept of zero. I hope you enjoyed today's session and we will meet soon. Bye.
Concept of zero. Zero. How many carrots do I have, children? 3 carrots. Now, how many carrots do I have? 2 carrots. And now, how many carrots do I have left? 1 carrot. And now, how many carrots do I have? 0 carrots. You have eaten all the carrots. 0. Five apples are hanging on the tree. 1 apple falls down and 4 are left. Another apple falls down, 3 apples are left. Two apples left. 1 apple left. Zero apples left. 0. 5 birds are sitting on the wire. 1 bird flies away, 4 are left. Another bird flies away, 3 are left. Two birds left. One bird left. Zero birds left. All birds have flown away. 0. Zero.